Hello, this is Shawn Jackman with Clinical Mobility, and I want to talk to you about CBRS today. What is CBRS? It's called Citizens Broadband Radio Service. Effectively, it's a new radio spectrum that is now available to enterprises and healthcare organizations alike. FCC made it available for general use about 3 years ago. It's targeted for use with LTE technologies, like what we use with our cell phones, 4G and 5G. Those are LTE cellular technologies. And it's regulated by the same standards organization, 3GPP, who manages LTE technologies that we all use as consumers every day. The strongest use case is solving indoor cellular coverage. What I mean by that is how we're all going to use our cellular devices indoors. So how you typically do that today is with a DAS technology, a distributed antenna system. So it's this kind of an overlay wireless technology that has a lot of cabling infrastructure and a lot of technology components that are spread throughout your buildings. It's quite expensive, long lead times to install, and then you have to get the carriers to plug into it. So that's cost that they have to bear to plug into your DAS. CBRS LTE is an alternative to deploying a DAS. It would look a lot like how you would deploy Wi-Fi today, where you install a radio that goes in your ceiling and it connects to your network. Very nimble. It would allow you to do what's called a neutral host, which is using the same radio network, just like you do with Wi-Fi, and allow guests to get on. But this would be using a CBRS radio and allowing the carriers, AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon, to provide coverage to their users. So effectively, you can, as a patient or as a clinician, you can take your device and come from outside the building and go inside the building and seamlessly transition to the CBRS network, and then hand back out, to the what we call the macro network when you're outside the building. We would love to talk to you about CBRS if this sounds like something your organization can benefit from. Thank you.